What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're gonna be jumping into the next one on our Blackpink journey. This is ROSÉ doing "If I Ain't Got You" at the Sea of Hope with some other talented artists. It looks like this one is coming out as via donation from Thomas. Much love, Thomas. I do appreciate the support. Let's jump into it. Let's check it out together. We ain't even got to say nothing about ROSÉ's vocals. We don't even got to say nothing about how spectacular this is probably going to be, because it's probably going to be awesome. CCs are on. Blinks, welcome back. Let's jump in. Let's go.
바로 하지. 원, 투, 쓰리.
Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame.
Get it. Cat shush.
Some people live for the power. No, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people live in the physical thing. Still find what's within.
I want to hear it. Let me hear it. I want to hear that chorus.
That their lives so born, so full of the self-reflection. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond real, some just want.
All right, first off, this is spectacular. The whole thing already is spectacular. It's beautiful. I have to apologize for Ringy. She just decided that she wanted to be a part of the reaction. We're gonna jump back into it now that she is out. What a beautiful, beautiful voice. Like, seriously, I'll put this on the playlist right now.
Some people want diamond real, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you.
Hey, if there's other people besides ROSÉ in here that have their own journeys that we need to go down, you guys let me know. You're going to be my information source as to where we need to take these journeys. So if there's anybody else up here that you want to see other videos of or anything like that, make sure you drop them on the request form in the description and we will get to them.
Some people search for the fountain. The promise is forever young.
Ooh, let's go.
Some people need 3,000 roses. That's the only way.
Took it up a notch on
them. Hand me the world on silver platter. And what good would it be with no one to share, but no one who truly cares?
Wow.
For me. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all.
Hit it.
If it ain't you, baby.
Yo, they're
If
all
I ain't
spectacular
got you,
singers.
baby. Some people want diamond rings, and I don't want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Yeah.
This seriously, so far, every single singer that has stepped up to that mic has been fantastic. That's what I'm saying. Let's go on a journey. Let's check them out. Like, I don't know who we're getting into next. Look like the first male of the thing, but let's go. I bet you he's got a killer voice. Let me hear it.
If I ain't got you in me, baby,
Ooh, that silky voice.
nothing you miss. Oh, only, baby. If I ain't got you in me, baby.
Hey, that was fire. That was fire. They did a spectacular job. on that one. Nothing hateful to say. There's a great song. They performed it spectacularly. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Check out one of my other videos up there. Subscribe right here if you want to see more content, possibly your content. Till the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.